Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. So we're gonna jump straight into today's video. Today we're gonna be reviewing a parcel that we got from Shea Moisture. Ooh, exciting. So we're going to be opening up the parcel and it says, "Hey, beautiful." This is really cute. I was really surprised when I opened this. It's such a cute and lovely message. So today we're going to be reviewing their Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydration Collection. And this also contains fig extract and baobab oil. So this collection is really good for hydrating and replenish dry, damaged hair. So this is perfect for type 4, type 4A, type 4B hair, which is really prone to being dry and damaged. So in this video, we're going to be reviewing 3 items out of the collection, which is the shampoo, the conditioner, and their intensive hydration hair mask. So we're going to begin the video by obviously using the products. First, I'm going to go in with the intensive hydration shampoo. And this shampoo is sulfate free, and they claim that their shampoo cleanses while infusing the hair with intense moisture and shine enhancing nutrients. So for those of you guys who don't know a little bit about the products in this, I'm going to give you guys a little brief on the stars of this range, which is obviously the Manuka Honey and the Mafura Oil and the fig extract. So it says here that the Manuka Honey acts as a humectant, bringing moisture to the hair. A Mafura oil acts for natural damage control and softens and promotes healthy hair, and the fig extract acts as an antioxidant, vitamin C protector, and keeps the hair looking vibrant. For those of you who aren't very common with Mafura oil can actually be found in Southern Africa. That's where it originates. It's used widely in countries such as Mozambique and Zimbabwe as a skin moisturizer, treating symptoms such as rheumatoid, which is like inflammation. So this is quite an old ingredient known for its amazing properties for healing. So after adding the shampoo, obviously I'm going to rinse that all out, make sure my hair is fresh and clean before I start adding in my conditioner and I begin detangling my hair. So overall, the consistency of the product is actually quite nice. But I will have to admit, the scent is delicious. This is the nicest smelling shampoo and conditioner I've ever smelled in my life. It smells like honey and goodness, and just, it's really amazing, the scent. And your hair ends up smelling like it as well. It's just beautiful. After detangling and conditioning my hair, I'm going to rinse it out. After I come back from the shower, I'm going to go in with the intensive hydration hair mask. So it says in the instructions that you just apply evenly and with a wide tooth comb and detangle. I prefer to detangle with my fingers, so I'm going to apply evenly with my hands and detangle with my hands. So with this product, a little goes a long way. It is quite thick and it is quite generous, so I really didn't even put that much in my hair. After finishing putting that in, it says you can either sit it for 5 minutes or you can sit it for 30 minutes with a plastic cap. So I'm going to get my trusty plastic bag and sit for an hour. So after an hour, I've had dinner, done a few things, come back, and this is what my hair is currently looking like. It's looking amazing, I will have to admit. So this is what my hair looks like after a rinse with cold water. It is wowza, so soft. I'm sure the camera can pick up just how soft my hair is currently looking. I think an hour really did this justice. My hair is looking hella soft and cloudy. Usually I use the Sheer Moisture Coconut collection, but yo, I've been converted. This is my new favorite range. The hair mask is definitely my favorite. Shampoo and conditioner, you know, they're shampoo and conditioner. But the hair mask is what's won me. Like, I'm in love, honestly. I love the hydration, I love the scent, and I love how soft my hair feels after applying this. This is definitely one of my favorites, and I think I'm definitely gonna rebuy, especially the hair mask. Yeah, that's the end of the video. I hope you guys have liked this review. If you want me to do some more reviews, make sure to leave a comment down below and let me know what collection you would like me to review. Don't forget to like the video and turn your notification bell on so you don't miss a video every time it's posted. I love you guys so much. Mwah.